Doing this will fix your car that cranks but doesn't start. 1. Check fuel delivery. Turn the key and listen for a hum to make sure the fuel pump is operating. If there is no sound, there is no fuel. 2. Inspect spark plugs. Cleaning or replacing worn or fouled plugs might restore starting power. 3. Check the crankshaft sensor. Fuel injection and spark timing are stopped when a malfunctioning sensor fails to communicate with the ECU. 4. Check the air intake. The engine cannot breathe correctly if the air filter is clogged or the intake is obstructed. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.